am using a transfer process involving carbon paper today. It's not complicated at all, it's super easy, and I was already doing this process to transfer 3 images of mine to some wood panels that two of which I bought at the dollar store and one I bought at just the regular art store in my area. And I primed these already with gesso and some gold paint on the trim. So that's what we're starting with. You're going to need carbon paper, which is basically like this. Sometimes I'm sure it comes in different formats. I bought this in a sheet, and what I did was I cut out smaller pieces of it to fit the scale of the small boards I'm working on, and I used tape to tape the paper, or tape the carbon paper itself to the wood panel. And then I used tape to tape the drawing to the top of the carbon paper. And from there, you would just take your pencil and you would re-outline everything that you needed to on your drawing. And after you're done doing all of those details, you take the carbon paper off, and you have this nice image transfer ready to go and be painted on. If you were going to paint in any type of alla prima method or use acrylic, you could just start painting straight into these line drawings and not worry too much about the pencil or the graphite. I am going to complete my 3 panels, most likely in the Miche technique unless I change my mind. I am going to make a video, maybe at least of the beginning process, the very first start in the process of the first few layers. If that's something that you are interested in learning, or you just would like to see how I do it, you can watch what I do. I don't paint in the Miche technique that much anymore, so I think it should be pretty fun and experimental, and I'm definitely no pro, but I like to get in there and have an adventure and explore and see what happens. If you make something really cool, I would love to see it, and I think the best way to do that would be if you posted an image of what you made in the comments.